This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so last session we did on Wednesday, and yesterday we couldn't do, as informed it was holiday. And moving forward, we'll see the next levels of the sales document header level views in terms of understanding, followed by customizing. So let me go back to the IMD screen. So under sales document header, I was explaining all the document types according to their domestic identity. Now, convert language for each sales document type. This is just a feature. Now, here remember, mandatory is the document type, mandatory, mandatory, and number ranges comes defaultly. It's a mandatory. But these convert language key, purchase order type, order reason, assign order reason to sales document type, and sales organization user indicator, they are optional, not a mandatory customizing. But as you're learning, you need to understand them also. Because tomorrow, when you start working in a project, what may be the client requirement, we don't know. So, learning wise, you learn many things. But working wise, can't say how much percent will be in practicality at a time. Okay, so out of 100% what you learn, 10% will be a job role. So which 10% we can't say. Next project, which 10% we can't say. So learn all, know everything, and work accordingly. Okay, now convert language for each sales document type. What is the concept of this? Now here, if you see here, if you want to use a language specific key for a sales document type, you can allocate the respective keys to the sales document type in the respective language. You can maintain your own key for the sales document in every language. So why I'm showing this, it's a key. It's not like if I mark as AR, it will convert to Arabic language. If I mark as Japanese, it will convert to Japanese language. If I mark as French, it will convert to French language. No. For a sales document type, if you tag a language key, so in whichever countries that language is being used, the document is usable in that location's point of view. So when you have one sales document type made multiple copies. Sir, why we make multiple copies? See, simple example. What features of See, what offers you have in India, you may not have in USA, though it is same company, right? What offers you may have in USA, you may not have in Australia or some other country. So when the company is having operations in every country, and one sales document type cannot be executable in all the countries. So what we do, we make one sales document as multiple copies. Say OR1, OR2, OR3 like that. For example, OR means order 1, order 2, order 3. So order 1 is which according to which country standards, order 2 as per which country standards. How the user will come to know as per the language key tag. Okay, so that's the purpose of this. So click on the IMG activity here, new entries. And remember, one language can be usable one time in a server. So here, if you click on the drop down, you name a language we have. So everybody want to take English. So for example, English I'll take. And GRA1 is our sales document inquiry. And I say ENIN, enter. What it is saying? The language EN, the conversion ENIN already exists for BAG1 because I myself has taken for my previous to previous batch Bajaj. So one language key can be usable one time in a server, and that is what is the purpose. See, company means it's their own database, their own server, and one language key to one document type. That's all. Why you'll have many in the again another document means another country language key. So logically, in the projects, it's only one usage, and here being in so this server, it's one usage. But when you got to practice, how randomly take any language and understand how it works. For example, I'll take Spanish. So I'll say SPIN. So it will read this name. GRA1 is my inquiry name. It will read this name in the front end, but it will present with this new name. How it works? Let me see. Continue. Back. Back. Now where you can see the response of it, define sales document type, for example. Now here I click on position and find GRA1. It is still showing GRA1 only. After some time, when the server get refreshed, this GRA1 will turn to SPIN. For example, for my other batch, I made Bajaj BAJ1. Okay, that's the inquiry. When I say enter, it shows ENIN. That means it reads the old name, but it will present with a new name. That's the concept. Okay, when you people are practicing, it will not respond immediately. It takes some time, but don't worry, it comes. So you understood the concept how it works anyway. So define, connect, so it works. Okay, back. So that's about convert language key. Number ranges. So you all understood how to make a number ranges because I showed you all how to define the number ranges when we was working on enterprise sorry customer master data, right? So the concept over here is in SAP defaultly the so many number ranges are been given for internal, for external, for internal, for external, for internal, for external, right? So there are so many number ranges already given. We can use them as it is because a big range, see 1 to 30,000, and here you can see 5 to 6, 10 to 13, that is 14, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 40 to 45, like this big ranges are already given. So already the big ranges are given and they are connected defaultly to the standard, and since we copied the standard, these number ranges comes automatically. So even here or even during the live project, we pick them as it is. No need to make. If nothing is there, then find the unused account, go to insert line, create your interval. After you create, you come and give it manually here. But already the standards are there, no need to do. That's the intention what I want to say. See, 05 internal, 02 external, 01 internal, 02 external. Like this, all number ranges of standards defaultly maintained. So pick them as it is. Okay, back. So the concept of number ranges, you understood. Convert language key, the concept you understood. Now purchase order type. Now what is the concept of purchase order type? So here, for example, these are made by me for other batch. You will see these three in the default SAP database. Okay, now let me tell you what is the purpose. Grasim. This is our client. Now to buy this Grasim products, how the customers are coming, how Grasim company is reachable to the customers who want to buy, how for customers Grasim company is reachable where they want to buy. Say, for example, you want to buy a jeans or some shirt. Where you go? You go to an outlet, or you may go to web, or you may, if you are a what you say retailer or dealer, you may send a fax, or you may call the company and place an order. Right? See, customer means don't think you. It can be a store, it can be a supermarket, it can be a mall, it can be a company. So, for example, IBM wants to give their employees what do you say IBM printed T-shirt. So they contact Grasims for. Think as an example. So why they contact Grasims? They may contact Nike or Reebok. And fine, understand the example. So customer is reaching how outlet means walk-in, web, fax, call, etc. So by call, by mail, by walk-in, the customers are going. So purchase order type means what are the sources through which the customer is buying the product. So to the company, how the customer is coming, purchase order. The customer is purchasing, company is selling. For Grasim it is sales, but for customer it is purchase. So what are the mode of sources the customer is coming? I'm sorry. So what all the mode of sources through which the customers are coming? So purchase order type means కస్టమర్ కొనడానికి ఎన్ని రకాల దారిలో వస్తున్నాడు. परचेज ऑर्डर मतलब एक कस्टमर प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने के वास्ते कितने जरिए से आ रहा है. राइट, डन. सो हियर आई से GRA1 Asim walk-in to Asim web. Okay, so three activities I made. Where they'll come into utilization after we go to the front end when we are raising an sales transaction. We use this one among the source. So that at the end of the day, the company Grasim will come to know through which source what transactions are happened. So it is all for reporting purpose. Okay, so understand the logic, please. The document types are used for a transaction purpose when you're executing a transaction, which transaction is coming from which source. See, normally when we go for a shopping, there is a store, there is an outlet, there is a showroom. You can go to the showroom, walk in, or that showroom person will get an orders placed through web, or that showroom person may get the call and orders was placed. So the showroom person at the end of the day, he want to know how many orders happened through which source. So whenever the sales transaction is happening, when he mentioned one among the source, at the end of the day, he will come to know which order is happening from which source. That's the intention. Save it back. Order reason. Defaultly in the SAP database, we have 32 to 33 reasons. Okay, but somebody's tried with triple zero. It is not stand default. It somebody made internet. Okay, what does it mean? There is no logic in such kind of. So already when all the reasons are given, why you make it? Ah, I just want to check to make my own one. Okay, if that is the case, new entries give three-digit short time, give the same description. Like you're buying because of excellent price, you're buying because of fast delivery, you're rejecting because of poor quality, damage in transportation. So if you want, you can do it, but give some logical descriptions because here in this case, no need to do. Here in this case, no need to do. Already they're all, but still you want to do. Say, for example, fast delivery, excellent price. Take this and give with your own naming. Okay. So, what made a customer to buy? See, when you're going to a store regularly, the store person asks you, just, sir, I see you regularly coming. What is the reason? Kind of, I'm happy to see you, but still, I want to know what is the reason. You say that your services is prompt or quality is good because he is very much excited to know what made it a customer to buy. He's not intention to asking why you are coming, kind of. Who will say, ఎందుకు వస్తున్నారు అని అడగరు కదా సార్ మీరు రెగ్యులర్గా వస్తున్నారు బాగుంది కానీ మాకు తెలియాలి కదా మీరు మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ కొనడానికి రీజన్ సో దట్ వీ కెన్ ఇంప్రూవ్ దట్స్ ద ఇంటెన్షన్ ఓకే సో యు ఆర్ కమింగ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు కమ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ బట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు నో ద రీజన్ so that we can improve better. That's the intention. You're not coming why? Because of some reason. Let me know the reason. We will improve. So here define order reasons. What are the reasons the order is happening? It can be good or bad. If it is rejecting, bad reason. If it is happening, good reason. So in the default database, we have some reasons. You name a reason we have relevant to SD, relevant to other modules also. During the transaction, you can pick them. Now, this is a new feature. You may not see this feature in every server. Some servers haven't got updated yet. Some servers got updated. If you get it, it is just an optional feature, not a mandatory. So, if you want to allocate some reasons to a document, so when using that document, only that reasons only will come, not all this 32. So, when I'm using a sales order, I want some specific reasons. That's all. Not I don't want all. So it is for user convenience. So here you can allocate specific reasons for a sales document type at a location. These are made for other batches. When you got so new entries, you give a document type. For example, I'll give GRA3 sales organization GRAS. I give a reason here. Good service. Okay, so I'm giving two reasons why you're buying because of good service, why you're rejecting because of damage in transportation. Just a sample I given to. So when you're working on sales order, it will give these two reasons only. If happening, you give this. If not happening, you give this. Like this, there is no limitation. How many you want, you can go. Okay. Done. So this is one of the updated one. Define usage indicator. What is the purpose you're using a sales document? See, for Grasim, we may not have much usage, there's only one usage you sell, that's all. But think about an electronic based company. Think about an automobile based company. Today you are going to a car showroom to buy a car. Fine. Tomorrow again you are going. Is it like again to buy a new car? Definitely not, right? Maybe we can't say, but generally not. So document is one, sales counter is one. You're going to the same counter to buy a car, you're going to the same counter to buy a warranty, you're going to the same counter to buy a spare. So, what is the intention of this particular option is the sales document is only one. If I mention here product sales, it is for product. If you mention the service sale, it is service. If you mention the warranty, it is warranty. If you mention the spare, it's a spare. So from morning to evening, 100 orders are happened means it is not like 100 cars are sold if it is automobile. Maybe for some warranty, maybe for some spare, maybe for some service, etc. Okay. So how many sales lines are there? You give that many here. Grasims. How many sales lines we have? Only one sales. Do you have service? If a product, if a jeans or shirt is torn, will you get it repaired? No. But if a car it got dent, you'll get it repaired. You have spares, you have service, etc. Mobile sales is there, service is there, accessories there, warranty is there. So depending upon the company. So this usage indicator is not applicable for Grasim such kind of. Okay, but when you got to practice, you want you can just give. I say BJ1. Sorry, I'm sorry, it's not Bajaj. G1, GR1, Grasim, sales, GR2, Grasim. Need some accessories like your what is it, trouser buttons, chains, etc. etc. Just your thought. Save it. Back. Back. Now assign sales area to sales document type. This is something very very important because the document type what I made that until you assign it to a sales area it is not authorized to use. So here what we are doing, the sales area what we had done in enterprise structure, we are extracting that to the order management here. Understand the logic here. The sales area what we made in enterprise structure, we are extracting it to the order management here. Why? The sales area what you made in enterprise structure, you're extracting here to order management because using that sales area, system should permit you to create a sales transaction. So which sales document type is usable in which sales area? Which sales document type is usable in which sales area? Until it is declared here, it cannot be usable. So first, combined sales organization, combined distribution, combined division. So you're extracting the sales org distribution division from enterprise structure, what you made to the order management here. So to click on this. So here, click on position, find GRAS. Already we made an enterprise structure, sales organization. You are bringing at that sales organization, connecting for reference, for which you will be connecting the sales document. So given the reference, again same GRAS. Enter. Save it. Back. Combined distribution channel. GRAS. We have three distribution channels: offline, direct, and online. So give as it is: GF in GF side, GM in GM side, and GO in GO side. Continue. You get the descriptions, save it. We are extracting the sales area to order management level. That is the reason we are referring the same. This reference will be connecting, this reference will be used in the last step to connect the sales document type. You'll see that. That is, this is the last step. Now, division. GRA 2G, 3G, 4G. Now, sometimes it will blink in somebody's made where you don't know what to be given. So, but you need to save your made activities and come out of the screen. So, what you do? Click on, after giving your entries, click on cancel, say yes. That is, your activities got recognized. Again, click on cancel. Saving the changes what you made, you're coming out of the application. So, your given activities will get saved. Ignoring other activities where it is blinking, it will come out of the application. So if it is unable to save, if it is not allowing you to save, blinking in somebody's activities, this process to be done. Okay. So after you do these three steps, then only you should go to this fourth step. First three steps చేసిన తర్వాతనే fourth step లోకి రాగలుగుతారు. Without doing these first three steps, you cannot step into this fourth step because it will not recognize. See what it says. So assign sales order type permitted for sales area. What we are doing here, which sales document type to be permitted when using which sales area. So it takes some time to get in because it got huge content to be loaded. So when it is processing, kindly wait. Do not press back or cancel. So please wait, everybody. I'm just back in a minute. Everybody, please wait. Meanwhile, I'm just back in a minute. Okay, thanks for waiting, everybody. So, what I was saying here, assign sales area to sales document type. When you click over here, okay, here when the moment when you click on new entries, it sometimes it gives you a pop-up. First, create a general sales area. That means if the previously the sales areas was not properly recognized, you'll get that. Even though I made sir everything correctly, but still again, it may be a caution, just ignore. So finally, it should come to this screen. So here, reference sales organization, this is reference distribution, reference division, and if you just move aside your sales document type and its description, you get to see. Okay, so drop down, find your document type. What is the document type? GRA1 inquiry, GRA2 quotation, GRA3 order. I remember, I can give directly. If you don't remember, find from the drop down. Okay, so this is my sales organization first. So GRAS. Distribution channel, we have GM, GF, and GO. So I'll take first GF. One by one we'll take. So I'll say here 2G division, and here I say GRA1, GRAS, GF, 2G, GRA2, GRAS, GF, 2G, GRA3. So one sales document type can be assigned to many sales areas. One sales area can have many sales document types. Vice versa. For one document, it can have many sales areas. For one sales area, it can have many document types. That's what we're trying to do here. So here, what we are doing, we are connecting all our made sales document types to one sales area. But in the live project, the client, what documents should permittable in what sales area, he will do only those. For example, there is one store near to your home. There only orders are permitted but not contracts. So if you want to sign a contract, the store person may say, "Sir, you need to go to the main outlet. There it is permitted." That means his outlet is not authorized for contract document transaction. I mean, his outlet is not permitted using a contract type. for a transaction. So, which sales area is to be authorized using which sales document you are managing here? I given all, right? All nine documents. Inquiry, quotation, order, rush order, cash sales, master contract, quantity contract, value, general value material. Service contract I'm not correcting because I said it cannot be executable just for understanding. Okay, save it first. Now go a step back, click on position, find GRA, enter. All my nine combinations, I'll select all one by one, copy it, enter. See, define GYSO1. This is not ours. Mistakenly I've clicked on it. That's the reason it is giving me alert. This is not ours. Ignore it. Enter. 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 Till your entries are been selected specifically. Now here what I'll do, I'll just give 3G. Done. So I have been extracted all this nine sales document for second combination of sales area. Save it. Go a step back. Again GRAS, enter. I'll select again nine combinations. Save it. Done. So all three sales, I mean three divisions connected for this nine. Still we have two more combinations, right? So what I should do? GRAS. I'm selecting all. First nine, second nine, all three combinations, three divisions oriented. I'm selecting. Why? I'll tell you. Just first let me select all. Copy. just give 0. It's all 27. Save it now. Now again I'll select these, go a step back. Be careful when you're doing, sometimes you may find already made again doing the same, so screen may get stuck up. So make it simple for yourself. One by one you do it. So I'm doing for all because all the sales areas I want to activate. That's all. So during the live project, what is the client preference accordingly? You may make all, you may not make all. Whatever is his specifications, only those will be. Okay. So I've selected one full combination, copy them. Now GM. Be very careful. If you make any mistake, the screen may get hanged up again. Forcefully, you need to log out and redo it. So all sales document types assigned to all sales areas. Done? That's all. So thereby, the sales document type is now connected to the sales areas. The major part customizing is been done. Now, control of product, so item level and availability scheduling. So Monday we're going to see item category customizing, and Tuesday we're going to see the schedule and category customizing. All right. So meeting link will be changed. I'll ping the new meeting link on Skype. Do join with the new meeting link on Monday. So thank you all and see you on Monday, everybody.